everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my favorite kind of hair style that I like to wear, which is like beachy waves. I mean, I like my hair straight, but I find having really fine hair, doing like a beachy wave really makes it look thicker, less put together, and it's really fun. Now, I've been using a curling iron in the past, and it doesn't really give me that beachy, kind of messy textured look. So this video is in sponsorship with Duval, and I was so excited when they reached out to me to send me their straightening iron because that was the first thing. It was actually on my wish list of something to buy would be a new straightening iron. So when they sent this to me, I was so happy, and it does not disappoint. This is a infrared technology straightener. This professional grade straightening iron is seriously one of a kind. So it has infrared technology and tourmaline coated plates for superior straightening and hold, as well as extra negative ion generation technology that locks in moisture, as well as a rubberized exterior coating for comfort gripping and ease and controlling when you style. So what I love about this is that when you use it, it doesn't have the pulling. A lot of times I have bought what I thought was a good straightening iron, and you get it and it's like, and it feels like you are just burning your hair, and I'm terrified of just like going like this and my hair just coming off. So this has been an amazing straightener, and the best thing is I have a 70% off coupon that you guys can use so you can get this yourself. It does not disappoint. So if I turn it on, you can see right there the technology, the infrared technology. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 temperature settings. You can see in there. So we're gonna turn it up. I do it to like the third one, so 410, because I have fine hair. And I use this, I've actually used that to straighten my hair today because my blow dryer kind of gave out on me, so I had like really frizzy hair. So I straightened it first, and now I'm going to be doing a little beach wave. So it's not really straightened. My hair is pretty naturally straight. This is Prep Rally. It is a prep and prime detangler, however you say it, and it protects up to 450 degrees. This is by Blow Bar. Now I've already used this on my hair today, but maybe I'll do some more. So I'm gonna separate. This is how I do my beachy wave look. And I think the nice thing about beachy waves is that if you are not a crazy sleeper, it actually looks really great for a second day. So I just separate my hair, sometimes into thirds, sometimes just half. I'm just gonna take a little bit actually, just to like extra protection. This smells amazing. And then brush it out. I have a mirror right here. And then I actually like to start at the back here and take a pretty big section. And this is all ready to go. And then I just twist. And do you see how smooth it is? And then I like to keep the end straight. But did you see how smooth that was? That's the one thing, it's like you get these straightening irons and they just go like, do you know what I'm talking about? Now, I take this next piece and I'm gonna curl it inwards. Only till about there, then I let go. And so you get this like nice kind of loose, but don't brush it out, don't touch it. And then I'm gonna take, it's a bit thinner of a piece at the front. That can, then this piece here away from my face. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, it's like very loose. I don't like it too close to the top. I want it like here. Sometimes more towards the top, I'll do it closer to the scalp. And then we're just gonna do the same thing on this side. Now for the top half, and maybe I'll do it in thirds just to make it more precise. This, I'm gonna do the same thing, but a little less thick, not too thin, but not too thick. I'm gonna do this back one away. Like that. Lastly, I'm just gonna take the top down, and pretty much all of these I'm gonna curl away from my face because I don't love on myself how it looks when it's too close to my face. So this is what it looks like if I don't do anything. So what I like to do is kind of just rough it up. And if there's any pieces that are too curled, just take. For this type of like beachy wave look, I like to put in this, it's a little thing, I'm almost out. It is by Verb. It is this C Texture Cream, Amplify and Refresh. And I just like to take a little bit, like that, kind of go like this, and just like scrunch it up, like piece it. So it keeps it nice and piecey and not like too perfect, because my hair is really clean. Also, sometimes you could just take dry shampoo and just spray the ends, and that helps give it some texture. And that is how I get like my beachy curl wave look. Again, thank you Duval for sending this to me. I will have the coupon code down in the description box if you want 70% off. This is a fabulous, and I'm not even saying this because they sent it to me. I know that's so easy for people to think that, and that is totally fine if you don't trust this, but I love this. It is so smooth and so sleek. It does an amazing job just straightening my hair, and then obviously like I'm still getting the hang of curling my hair with a straightening iron, but I love this look, and for me it's like better the second day. So thank you so much Duval. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars,